Hey you guys, welcome to a quick video where I will be talking about the super guide to asking questions in communities. More importantly, how to ask coding questions in Discord. This is a talk I'm preparing for a community event next week. However, I realized that I could quickly just show Kingsley and maybe help other people to understand the concept of asking questions in communities. Right, so you wanting to understand is it's difficult already to kind of see code in text of white. That's why over the years, IDEs have tried to make that easier by adding color coding, indexing, and all the stuff. So if you are trying to get help in a community, the best way to really get yourself on the fastest route to getting help is if you can make it easier for whoever is available to help you to understand what you're doing faster. Sorry, I'm talking this way. I kind of am feeling under the weather. I've been ill for days, but I just need to get this off my plate so I can move on to other things. All right, so the very first thing you understand is Discord gives you ability to do a couple things. So if you have like a code presentation, let's say I want to say this is a test demo for a video on writing code on Discord. So you have this text. You see, it's white and it's just there. Let me just make so you can write if code is if code equals to red red show console.log red, and then you can align it closer. This is the way it would show if it is and it looks terrible because you might not really understand this. However, the little trick, we can make this look way better. Let me just demonstrate that. So I'm going to edit this code now, and I'm going to do one thing. I'm going to copy the entire code, but this time I'm going to use this triple backtick. So on your keyboard, you'll notice this triple backticks. It is right next to one on most keyboards, and it could be somewhere else on your keyboard. So just Google it if you're using a special kind of keyboard that is not the conventional one. And then I'm going to use Alt Shift and tap Enter. I'm going to enter it down, and that anything I write in between this right now is automatically formatted and looks cool. So it looks like a code structure and has more structure now. So I'm going to do just that. Uh, Let me just format this properly. I'm going to send it. You're gonna press Enter to save. So I got it. So once you press it, sorry for that mess. So you can immediately see that it is having a kind of structure for like it looks more presentable this way. And sorry, there's a bug right here, but just don't focus on that. It looks presentable in a manner. It looks like it's in a block. It has the structure of like looks like a code. However, we can even take it way further. So I'm going to edit that same piece of code, and I'm going to do something. I'm going to add. So if you can look at the structure of code, you can tell that it's a JavaScript code at some point. So what I'm going to just write JavaScript and go down again and hit enter. And almost immediately you can see that we now have color syntax aligning, and it is the best thing in the world that can ever happen to you while trying to ask for help in communities. It makes it easy to help you, it makes it easy to understand your code, and most importantly, it shows that you understand the ethics of asking for help. So, in short and long, try to use this method. So, in case you're asking other questions where it is not JavaScript, just try to so instead of JavaScript instead I'm going to show you I could just write JS. I could do Java, but Java, you see that is not highlighting as much code as before because in Java there's nothing like console or log or something like that. So it still uses the highlighting based on the programming language and the rudiments of those language as based on that. So let's just give it as JavaScript, and that is it for that. So hopefully this has been able to like show you what you need to know to ask for help in community, especially coding requires that you need to show a piece of code, and always show a piece of code when you're asking for help. So obviously help someone. This is just like a quick guide on how you can do that and easily just represent your code in the easiest to consume format. All right, this has been a very short one. Hopefully, this has been helpful. I hope to create more content like this. Uh, See you on the next one. I guess that's how it goes. Bye.